outside of my apartment house. This is how the snow looks right now. Check it out. Let's walk. It's kind of windy right now, so just be aware. Windy, real snow. Cars are covered. It's ice storm 2010. Yep, folks, the real deal. Check it out. It's front of my house. Let's take another look. I'm running right now. As you can see, the snow is real bad. Running to the front of my house. It's real crazy right now. Cars are still riding on the road. Let's jog on the other side. We'll see what we can find. For the YouTubers, this is my apartments, Manchester Apartments in Ellesmere, Delaware. And there's a car that's buried. You can barely see it. As you can see, it's like 12 inches, 22 inches of snow out here. It's pretty crazy, y'all. Oh shoot, almost fell. Look at my feet, walking through the snow, treading through the snow. This is the